All right, today it is Wednesday, January 29th. I'm gonna rip the engine and transmission apart. LKQ already has my engine replacement on board, so I just got to drop off the core and pick up the replacement. We got to take off all the accessories off of this shit. We got a lot of work ahead of us. I'm gonna try to do as much as possible. Hopefully, get the sucker off. So we get the sucker onto a truck and get it shipped out. Oh, I'm gonna have to throw it on the stand. Oh, I got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. All right, and there's the valve cover. Yuck. That shit looks nasty. Damn. Sadness. Oh well. Let's get the sucker out of here. All right, basically got everything off already. All my parts are there. I'm gonna just finish this off tomorrow. It's already gonna be 7 o'clock. I have my boys at home. Still need to get my K2 knock sensor off of there, and my oil pan, and I do have the bottom timing chain guide as well that I need to remove. So that's why I removed the crank pulley. We're gonna open up the timing chain cover because that one's mine. The oil pan is mine as well. I'm gonna give them back their old one. Shit's all dirty. Yeah, I should. This little cover too. I'll take all that shit off. My sensors, and then we'll take this over to LKQ. I wanted to do this tomorrow, but changed the plans. I'm not gonna be able to do that because I'm gonna have my kids at home. So I'll just finish this off at work tomorrow on my lunch break, and then after work I'll come pick it up, load it up to the truck, take the truck home, and then we'll go take it to LKQ Friday morning. We should have the engine here by Friday. Should be able to slap it on by Saturday. Hopefully have it running by Sunday. Sweet. We shall see what happens. All right. All right. It is now the next day. I am on my lunch break at the moment. I'm going to put this on the engine hoist. Get the rest of the things off. We'll load it up into my pop's truck tonight after work. Then we'll take this sucker over to LKQ in the morning and get our replacement block. Tomorrow's Friday. Should have it here for the weekend. And we'll get it sorted out for installation. We do need to do the coolant bypass on there. And if I do the front timing chain and all this shit, fuck, man. I'm going to have to buy new gaskets and everything and maybe more Honda Bond. I think I'm gonna just fucking send it, bro. I'm gonna just legit not even open it at all. If the next engine comes pretty clean, man, I think I'm gonna just fucking send it. Hopefully that one's good. If not, I don't want to have to rip this bitch apart again. I'm getting sick and tired of it. Like, how much more shit? And then when I fucking have to send it back, I have to take it all apart again, take my pieces off. It's a fucking headache. I'm gonna just fucking send it. I don't even want to put that fucking water pump on there no more. I'm probably just gonna shave the new water pump housing. Fucking call it a day. I swear. That way I'll have 2 shaved fucking water pump housings. Oh man. Anyways, let's get this sucker onto the hoist and start ripping it apart. Alright, and we have the oil pan. I thought it was loose. I cracked it open. Apparently not all the way. Cool. Let's see how it looks in here. Come on, you. Might need both hands. Might not. Look how clean it is. From all the fucking coolant. Holy shit, it's fucking fresh in here. All right, and there it is. Everything is sealed back up. Oil pan is in place. Timing chain cover is back into place. I put on the crank pulley on there, valve cover, I took off all the sensors. I took off the water housing, everything. They're not going to get nothing. I even took my pilot bushing, brand new pilot bushing. We were able to save it. So there it is. The only thing they're going to take is my aftermarket oil pan, which I do not give a crap about. It's been sitting in storage since I've got it. You can tell it just looks like crap. It is not cast aluminum. So with that there being said, sweet, let's get it. And then the next video will be of me picking up the engine, slapping it inside the car. This time I didn't remove the hood. Last time I didn't remove the axles. This time I didn't remove the axles. Last time I removed the exhaust. This time I left the manifold on there. Bro, I'm getting so much faster at this shit. I love it. So much faster. I don't know if I should be scared or not. But if it ever happens again, which it will, I already know it. Something tells me it will. We already know what to do. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Oh, and I forgot to mention, rally's next week. Let's see if she makes it. If not, we got a rental. Thank you for watching. Alright, it is almost 9 o'clock at night. Here with my dad's truck. Load the sucker up, and then we'll take it to LKQ in the morning. Get that engine replacement.